Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to clear data of an application on this TV. Simply go to settings, tap on all settings, then tap on the option support, then select device care, then tap on the option manage storage. So in this page, you can see all the applications from your TV. You can see here. So if you want to, first of all, you have to select the application that you want to clear the data. So here I am going to select this one. Tap on the option view details. Then here you can see the option clear data. Simply tap on this one. It is in process. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, the data is cleared of this application. So simply in this way, we can clear data of an application on this TV. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.